Hey friends, check out this channel. Every video of this channel is viral. The category in which this channel makes videos is always trending. You see, every video of this channel has received millions of views. Some videos have received millions of views. And this channel is a monetized channel. You can watch it. You will be surprised to know that you can also create such videos completely free using AI. In today's video, I will show you how to create such AI videos for free. So let's start the video.
To create such a video, you will first need a master prompt. I have done a lot of research for your convenience and created this master prompt so that you can create videos very easily. I will give the link of this prompt in the description and comment. If you click on that link, you will get the prompt. Then you will copy the prompt. After copying, you will open Google Gemini. Then paste the prompt and give the command. Gemini Instant will give us the results, and it will give us some video idea topics. We can see that it has given us a total of 10 idea topics. We can work on these topics. I have selected topic number 10 here, and I copied it and pasted it back into Gemini. Now see that Gemini has given us prompts according to the topic. We can see that it has given us the details of the topic, along with the image prompt and along with the video prompt. We have got our prompt. Now we will first generate the image. To generate the image, first copy the entire image prompt. Then click on the plus option of Gemini. Select the option Create Image. Then paste the prompt in the prompt box. Gemini will start generating our image. We will get our image according to our prompt in a few seconds. Friends, we have got our image. Now we will download the image by clicking on the Download Image option. We will generate as many images as we need in this way. I have seen one created here for the convenience of the video. You can now use this method to create unlimited images here.
So friends, now we will generate the video. We will open Google, we will search for vids. The official website of vids will come. Click here. Then click on this option, Get Started. Google Vids will open. This pop-up window will come. We will cut it by clicking on the cross option. Then you will see the main interface of vids. In the top corner, you can see an option called AI Video. Click there. Then scroll down and you will see an option called Animate. Click here. Then click on the Add Image option. It will take us to our file. We will select the image downloaded from Gemini and open it. After the image is uploaded, we will open Gemini again and copy the video generate prompt. Back in these vids, we will paste the prompt in the prompt box. Then we will select the video aspect ratio, portrait 9:16. Then we click on the arrow option and give the command, and our video will start generating. Look friends, here the count is going on. If it is 100% complete, the video will be generated. You can use this method to generate unlimited videos here, completely free. So friends, our video has been made. Look how beautiful the video has been made. To download this video, right-click on the mouse button in this video. This pop-up will appear. Click on the Save Video As option and save the video, and it will be downloaded. So friends, I have created many videos using this method repeatedly, and you can see them here. You can see them. You can also create such videos using AI for free and monetize the channel. This was today's video. If you find the video helpful, definitely like it. If you have any questions or problems, please comment. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being with us.